Welcome to the ABC Underwater Adventure. Dive in with us as we explore the ocean and meet amazing sea creatures for every letter of the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go! A is for angelfish.
Angelfish.
B says D. D is for blue whale.
Dluewhale.
C says D. C is for crab.
Crlab.
B says D. D is for dolphin.
Dolphina.
E.
E says key.
E is for eel.
E.
F
Says F.
F is for fish.
Fisha.
G
G says G.
G is for green turtle.
Greenturtle.
H
H says H.
H is for horsefish.
Horshr.
L says owl. R is for ice squid.
Icequidr.
J
says J.
J is for jellyfish.
Jelllyfish.
K
J says K.
K is for king crab.
Kingcrabus. R says L.
L is for lanternfish.
Lanternfish.
M
A says L.
M is for manta ray.
Mantaray.
L
R says L.
M is for nautilus.
Nautilus. R says L.
O is for octopus.
Octopus. P is for
Popperfish.
Q says Q.
Q is for quail clam.
Qogclal. R says R.
R is for rainbow fish.
Shark.
T is for turtle.
Turtle. U says U.
U is for unicorn fish.
Unicornfish. V says V.
V is for vampire squid.
Pampersauid.
W
Is for wobbegong shark. Egongshark.
is for x-ray fish.
Xraifis. Y says yak.
Y is for yellow tang.
Bellowtang. Z for zebra shark.
Zebrak.
Great job, little explorers! Keep practicing your letters every day, and we'll see you next time on another fun learning adventure. Bye-bye!